Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on gold, we definitely pushed down very hard. I think that at least the wave three to the trend that started right here is complete. More than likely, we are in a wave four right now, which will likely only go to maybe the 38 or the 50%. I also think that it's probably more likely to make a very overlapping pattern because of the fact that this wave two is a very traditional pullback. The wave four is likely going to be more of a complex, pullback like a WXY or maybe some kind of a triangle, maybe down to one of these two fib levels before we make that wave five to the upside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, still because of this breaker structure we have right here, I still think there's a chance that the wave A is complete. I still think that we're already in this wave B. Like this could be like an A, this could be one, two, three waves down for a B, and I still think there's a chance that it might turn up at one of these fib levels and start a push to the upside for a C, and this is all part of a wave B, which is an A, B, and then eventually a C of wave four on the daily time frame. So because of this breaker structure over here, I still think there's a chance that this is either going to make a higher low or maybe like a triple bottom and end up pushing up for a wave C of wave B. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.